pastor. May the tourists them come to Jamaica and happy and glad to come here and want to come back. That's my auntie and my granny. Me have to because every woman out there, no. Me not know them and me auntie them, you know. And my granny them out there, you know. Every Jamaican, you know. All of we are family, you know, brother.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, we see the crime rate in Jamaica, right? We see how it go on. We see say it way out of control right now. And it has been out of control for a while, you know. But it would appear that it's only getting worse. And everybody, every Jamaican is concerned about it. We are talking about Jamaicans where they are yard and Jamaicans abroad concerned with the crime rate of Jamaica. It's like it's getting higher and higher and higher, and everybody has been wanting to know what is the solution, what is going to be done to stop the crime in Jamaica. And all people are asking, it's clear that there is absolutely no solution. Yet the government try them zozoting or whatever they want to call it, but that still not stop crime, that still not curb crime, that now fix nothing at all. Well, Jigsy King has always been a dancehall artist where clap back at criminals in Jamaica. Anytime them go on with anything, Jigsy King has always been one who is vocal about crime in Jamaica. Now people, Jigsy King speak out again. And the man not hold back nothing. The man talk up the things them and say, listen me, all criminals for dead. All gunmen for dead. If you know kill people, you know for dead because you know a mash up with Little Rock, Jamaica. Make we go take a listen to what Jigsy King attacks right here. So.
Me sick and tired of this. Listen, my good people. Me sick and tired of this. Me don't know about some of my DJs.
The truth can't set for free.
People, listen, people. Jigsy King this. Me sick and tired of this. How I go on. See, because you are going down now. With the dry day. Me want to know where dry day. You know what hurt me? Because Barbados what they go perform. And tears what run out of me. You know why tears run out of me? Because when I look and see all the people that live good over Barbados. Seeing a tree killing them off last year. 1, 2, 3. You know why it looks so sad? A Jamaican go over they go killing people them. A girl come from a girl dead from Olaba. And girl, what you come from town, kill the girl, cause choose them a fight for one spot for who sell them vagina up on the corner. Our next youth kill and so we go over Barbados or kill 3 people, 3 people dead. And from the year start, 1 people dead in Barbados. And a brother shoot, what is singer name? Rihanna, what's the girl name? Fair family. Rihanna family. Why you shoot 1 killing them up? Well, listen good you know. Check Trinidad and check Ireland, Caribbean Island. See? They can Jamaica we pass them. We beat them bad in a crime. Our country so blessed. Our country so blessed. Oh, we have so much killing. Eh? Listen, when the company we are going to fast the police are running him. Indicom. Listen to me, Indicom, listen to me good. He said if you know stop interfere with the police them work, we want find a billion we want to have and burn it down. Leave the police them and the police them do them work. Leave the police them and the police them do them work.
Bad man for dead.
You understand to you?
No rape.
Leave the police them the police them do them work.
Left from
anybody will not agree with me. When listen to me good, you know. Listen good. We need back Jamaica. We need back Jamaica. You understand me need? We need back Jamaica. And the only way this can happen people, we have people, listen to me good. A Jigsy Kingdom, we need back Jamaica. We have people in England and Canada and America want to come back home to invest their money. Or can them come back and invest in our country where we have murder for 140? See they are 28. And we can and we have so much murder, almost 150 and murder for 1 month. What can I deal this? What we really deal with? Tell me where I deal with. Dirty stinking gunman, the walla uno for dead. The walla uno we are keep up, we are mash up Jamaica, the walla uno for dead. I mean no matter what none of no one said. We no matter what none of uno want say. We need back Jamaica with love and unity. You know, we can understand them youth. We have money. We have money. We have car. We have everything we don't want. And we still are grown and are killed. Listen to me good. I'm talking about the entertainer part there. Listen to me good, artists. From artist to artist. Yesterday me and Bursa man a reason. See? Me and Bursa reason and Bursa Jigsy King. Listen to me good. Me need you to tell them. Listen to me people, artists. Artists, my brother. It starts with we because our words them are very powerful, you know. See? So me understand say is a living thing and sometimes no one prove to people say when they can chat the bad lyrics and they can do that gun thing about it. We don't need in Jamaica no DJ. DJ and singer, we cannot do no gun song right now. We have to leave the gun thing there because the youth them head chip. No more. Well, I don't listen to me, cause it's not a joke thing. Make a cool off and no more gun song. No more gun song. And Jamaica need a different direction. Wanna listen to me, go. Jamaica need a different direction. I mean, come like some more DJ boy away. There's a DJ because a DJ. Brethren, we need to stop that thing where we are dealing with, brother. We need to stop the thing, you understand? So, I'm going to hope Popcorn can hear what I say, and I do one of them can hear what I say, and massacre them, and the whole of them. You understand? We're going to need the real people. Listen. The real people them can understand we. All of my friends them. All of my friends them from Bounty Killer them and the whole of the hide them. So me and make a stand. We make a stand so we just know say because artists we play a big role in this, no brother. We play a big role in this for Dan. Dan are real people are dead, no brother. A family are dead, no brother. Look at you at show a triple murder again in that down Linstead, no brother. Look at you tomorrow. 12 or 13, no brother. A tomorrow man look at you for go school, you know. Upon the ice and lay down for no brother. Them things are serious, are real people are dead, brother.
Sad.
Oh, can make you go to Linstead market, not a quarter, and sell what and I. Oh, by the way, all Linstead gets so when Linstead gets so bad. All Linstead gets so bad. We can't make you go to Linstead market. Oh, if you have triple murder, check much people dead. Check much people dead from what there. Down in Linstead where we come from. Eh? Them dirty stinking gun, nothing gunman, gun boy. Cause the youth them are killing them are 15-year-old and them mother and them father hide them. Well, mother, listen to me, mother. You say anytime we find out, say you hide your son as a gunman, gunman, eh?
Death penalty.
You mother, you, your daughter, your son involved.
Your brother, your father,
involved in murder. Listen to me now. Listen me good now, mother, we hide your son. You know your son a dirty thinking murderer.
Rapist.
And a broke down people place.
We're dead.
It's like a wicked from you.
Judgment.
Get back Jamaica, we know no more killing going on Jamaica. Stop now, no gunman. Dirty thinking gunman. We not done now, no man. My friend, they want to come, We want to come in California, from Canada, and all over, and everybody afraid. Nobody know want to come back to Jamaica. Why? Because of who know? Who know dirty thinking gunman? Who know make people don't want to come back? Everybody say they want to go California, they want to go different place. Who know go where? All on the dirty thinking gunman and go and go suck on a woman.
I mean, straight.
I mean, no matter about none of them want to accept. None of them want to accept. And any one of my DJ friends them don't believe that when I say no go at all. All on the DJ boy way. Yeah, starting from me Jigsy King, call me DJ boy too. Anybody when I say love and stop the youth from violence, and go him. And all on the police when you're a gunman them to want to protect them too. You know bad just like them no go at all.
Them have gunman for them.
All on the politician when act like we don't want to stop, we don't go away. The whole of we are mash up Jamaica, we don't love Jamaica. Because anyone love Jamaica, we don't never let a crime go through. We don't know how I gunman them, we don't know how do I give problem, I don't kill them. No go away. Go away. And give back Jamaica, we want to nice Jamaica what we know about. We used to walk up and down. And the money make we happy in the youth. When if some money make we happy, and the money make we happy youth. Jamaica, nice.
Justice, one.
Jamaica, one nice place. No go away. And give back with Jamaica.
Suck on the man.
Give back with nice Jamaica.
Dirty gunman.
Give back with nice Jamaica we know about. The Jamaica where people ball to come out. Maybe are California and people are ball to come out Jamaica. Look what I do to Jamaica.
Justice, boy.
Look what I do to Jamaica. We want back Adams. Send back Adams come. Adams come back
general.
Bigger Ford on the come back out. Merval on the come back out. Go ahead, kill them.
Murder some gun boy.
Bumbuckler.
Suck on the mother. Now mash up Jamaica.
Bumbuckler too now. I uno girl will lead on and open no leg and do the gunman.
Don't forget some gunshot.
Keep me saying thing to uno. Brethren, you don't know it feel? One if you don't know it feel? Feel when you know say your sister and your brother and your nephew them laid up on the ice. Probably the time they're going to take we serious. That take we serious. Listen to me good. Gangster, different from gun fool. Big up every gangster. Matter about gangster we protect the community. Matter about gangster we do the thing the right way. Gangster we are hold the order. Matter about gangster we do the right blood clot thing. Big up on yourself. Me not talk some careless boy. Can you check it out? As some careless boy do be a fuckery. Only if you grown and kill woman and picnic. Only go away. I'm going to soft with the woman and go away. Only go about Jamaica. What about Jamaica? And nobody can't tell me that Jamaica can't come back. We can't come back Jamaica. Because no boy no better than no country no great like we Jamaica. No country no great like we. A be a star. Get a youth. Listen to me, get a youth. When you're down, one place they can go up. Don't make nobody tell you can't make it in a life. Me not like no done, you know. Me not like no done.
Real meds.
Every dan go suck your mother. Me not like no done. A Jah and God am I done. You hear me say? Just go when all who are listen to me, just go check up on my profile. I send people go foreign. Me no care if our embassy want here. I send you go foreign and we dealing football. Listen to me good. I talk with tears in my eye. If you start now, brother, and my sister, if you don't know, unless we don't love Jamaica, we don't love Jamaica, brother, so you better we just run away and done. Better we don't just tell me before we get one way and done. Or a 14 parish of Jamaica, where are we do? Alright, you were doing a 14 parish. If we don't plan to stop then, make her go to a parish for yourself. All who want to keep up them fuckery, I'm not plan for no. Take a parish for yourself then. I don't go and they go keep yourself and don't mix up with we no more. We're sick, we're tired. We can't take no more of this. We can't hear. Every time we hear the news, somebody dead again. We can't go through no more of this. And the break, we run out of breath now. We can't take no more of this. And the funeral parlor alone has laugh. When my black sister, my black brother, my Jamaican sister, my brother, we love them. Where they love them. We are trying to tell Mr. Jamaica done. And that's not trying to tell Mr. Jamaica done. We're not going to love again. And that's not Mr. Jamaica. We're not going to love again, Jamaica. Brethren, listen to them good now. We have to start learning to respect the soldier them. Respect the police them. Understand? Respect the nurse, the teacher them and everybody. Respect yourself, respect your mother, respect your father, show love. I tell the hard after day. When I grow, I suffer, you know. Me so walk and beg. Me so walk and beg Patty or Linstead. But me never brought down nobody else. You know why me never brought down nobody else? Because me tell myself, say, I want to be somebody in a life. One shoes, no clothes. But Jah and God help me. You understand? So nobody feel like you can't be somebody in a life. Don't make nobody give no gun for shoot nobody. Tell them take a gun go shoot. Go do it themselves. Get a youth. Listen to me, you get a youth. Don't get a youth. Don't make nobody go boost and tell about kill nobody. Make him go kill him himself. Please, my beg, we can find back love Jamaica. We know we can find back in Jamaica. We know we can find it back. Don't bother listen to them, Jamaica. Please, we can find back the love of Jamaica. See, me love the whole of Uno. Just remember, say me love the whole of Uno. The 14th parish. Every Jamaican will live overseas. We love Uno. We love Uno. We're going to do it and make sure Uno can come back around. Come back here and come. I'm supposed to meet with the Prime Minister Wednesday. Because I know Angel like that, you know. And we have to put in a structure where them put fear in our way. So what we have to do, we have to double up like fear in them. If I saw be a case. If I saw we're going to talk to them if they can't hear it. At time for broke them there. They'll start hang them if they can't hear with them. I hang them 3 times a day. Early in the morning, before you go to work, 200 we hang. And then lunchtime, 200 we hang. And then in the evening, we hang another 200. Until you understand, say, who want about Jamaica? We start hang on. If you can't hear, so never stop a murder. And love no black brother, love no black sister. Make the tourists then come to Jamaica and happy and glad to come here and want to come back. That's my auntie and my granny. Because every woman out there, no. Me not know them and me hang to them, you know. And I'm granny them out there, you know. Every Jamaican, you know. All we are family, you know, brother. Oh, when match keep, we go steal and go celebrate. When Jamaica school go, we get up and hug up each other. Oh, when you send Bolt like too nice. Oh, when you send Bolt to run, we group up a halfway tree and group up a mantico beer. And when you send Bolt, I broke your record them, we hug up each other. And when that done, we go back away and kill people. That means we are some fake virgin. More Usain Bolt still there. Think Usain Bolt alone. We still have more Usain Bolt. So stop killing Africa youth them. And stop no slackness. Jamaica, me love on a Jigsy King this. Me love you. You know what is some DJ boy free for talk? No, you know why some DJ boy free for talk? Eh? Because them a buy gunman them. No gunman can't say me ever buy them a gun. No gunman. No boy can't say Jigsy King buy them no bullet. No boy can't do that. There's some DJ we wanna make bag of nice for. Ask them if you come contact silver buy no gun. Them can't come and contact to one of people. How why? Them a buy gunman them. Me never buy a gun gear boy. Me buy these football boot and Clarks and ballet and car give me friend them and buy food give them. Come here so suffer. Jamaica, me love you now. Yeah, Jamaica, Jigsy King this. Me love you now. See? Give me the weed, cool ganja weed. Me love you now, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Well, the place gets so dirty, all the place gets so dirty. All the little juvenile, them get so monkey. Place gets so dirty, all the place gets so dirty. And so them plan for live, them naga past 30. This can't be a blessing, this have to be a curse. Tell the pastor them we need more prayer from the church. The youth them nowadays have be a devil, them a serve. We can't afford to make that thing a take over the turf. And a fan will come from A, I some man birth. Come on, Jamaica, make we get rid of the germs. No freaky boys and no freaky girls. No devil boy and no devil girl. Well, the rapper boy me want put in the earth, and a child molester them skin aga burn. I will fool that talk about a devil run the world. Hey boy, you want a lightning ball in your nerve. Police and gunman a shot people like a bird. Look at them, no respect the 4-letter word. Me big up the street, but me burn out the curve. The way that you know bad man never go no more verse. Long time me I want about the damn pink shirt. They never want hear no thing get worse. Go go check the Bible, go go read the verse. No boy to no boy and no girl to no girl. Never feel nothing for you, the fire aga burn. We and this damn politics now aga work. No more labor right, no PNP, no stand firm. Even about Selassie, I mean, I fear another. Oh, the place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the little juvenile, them get so mucky. Let's get so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. That's what them plan for living, no, them not go past 30. So look good, they see no run day again. Tattoo never coach even them move like them a spend. Me tell the Jamaica in a serious problem. Cause the school ask them, we can't talk to them. You know, see a big woman and big man them. Them a say no teacher can't beat them. Me no know how mislead them. Some say 10 million to the devil upon them. But me come from not all the dirty one them. Cause them only love only the dirty sang them. And you to attend bus gonna be bigger than them. The 14 person lock up all the damn them. So you know lock up the politician them. And them get the gun to the gunman them. You know see where paradise it a mass down. Cause corruption them a run down. Them a big up cocaine and dirty white rum. The best on them a west. Them a bunny down. The little school girls them start board them tongue. Good morning, good evening. Them the days done. 1966 remember I had the king come. You don't understand that you still see I come. That means the slackness of the one that jam down. Say the cable and go fire every. Oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the little juvenile. Jamaica, I love you know. Jamaica people, them I love you know. Love the bad Jigsy King. I love you know. Big up. Selassie.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I am. You don't know the thing going on. And that was the voice of Jigsy King. Well said, my brother. I mean, I tell you, so when I like what I go on and we have burned them out. From the politician to the police and the army and the entertainers, them were incite violence. And if you know one another, no more gun lyrics, boy, a chess attack, you know, could have never be another one. I want to know, when you stop the whole violence thing, dada, stop kill woman and pitney them, brother. Live good on the little island where we have Jamaica is a very nice place. You understand? I want to learn, open up on the ears and listen. Stop make people going out on the mind. You understand what I say? We don't like it. Good Jamaica. I go in a hole. No, sir, fuck we are going around the rasta. We don't like it. I build one, build back the thing and make the tourists them swinging. You understand what I say? The youth them feel learn. Cause who can learn, I go fail. You understand what I say? And if I force we have to reach out to nobody, we're not going to feel it. You understand? Because we not give people real bullets, real cutlass, chop and stab around you. You understand? And I poison people. We don't like none of uno. We here to know. You understand? And the mama for poison uno to uno should have dead when you're not born. And the mama put you a wrap around in the neck. You see me? We're tired of uno. Enough of uno mama and papa afraid to talk. I'm afraid of the dirty son them. You understand what I say? Enough for go away. No more gunman. I don't like none of uno. You see me? I have to talk. I burn me vex. You see me? Enough for go away, man, and go one side, man. I'm sorry I wasn't God. Because I don't think it will drop down dead. I melt like butter, what I'm told. You see me? Fire me burn for uno. I'm entertaining a brother them. The thing is very serious. It's fucking serious. Wanna stop it. No more gun thing round here and no lyrics round here. Write some girl song, man, and some reality thing, man, where I teach the youths them, man, how to live up and earn something round here, elevate themselves and stop downgrading the thing that. You saw me, I say, when I fuck up the place, brother, I mean, I love it. Good Jamaica, good on in a hole. We need the country to rise instead of fall. And you say, no opposition leader, no leader where run the thing. We don't need to know what I'm doing. Because we don't know enough of them gun boy and the whole heap of man them where kill people. We don't know them because we're not afraid. You see me? And we're not afraid to chat. We're sick of it and all that. We don't have to fix the thing. You see me? We don't give enough of them boy a strength, you know. And them not no sense. We say, oh, when we don't give them strength, the Babylon them a come back come kill them because I uno send them to come kill them. The gun them need to turn back the way they are coming from. You understand what I say? We don't like them thing there. Rasta, we tired of it now. And the whole of uno we are kill off the people and they need to go suck out to the mama. Straight. You understand what I say? Chest attack. Who don't like that? Drop down and dead. I'm done shot. I mean say gonna chat. You see me? Runway. Done chat.
No, I don't know about Uno, you know. But I personally, yes, me personally agree with what Jigsy King said in that video there. Right? Because, you know why me agree? When you really look at it, you know, it's really bad, you know. Because you have some other Caribbean islands where we are bigger than Jamaica. Because Jamaica not that big, you know, people. You have some other Caribbean islands where we are bigger than Jamaica and have way more people, and the crime rate in a them Caribbean island there low in comparison to Jamaica. When you look at the parishes, from parish to parish in a Jamaica, the crime rate in a certain parishes alone, in a single parish alone, higher than certain countries. That is bad, people. Watch ya. Me done with this, but me I go read phone comments down in the comment section. Make me hear what you have to say pertaining to everything where Jigsy have to say. Want to hear phone views pan what you feel like could really be done for control crime at Jamaica. Watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what you wait upon? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.